What are the advantages of gas-assisted injection molding? What is gas-assisted injection molding? Gas-assisted injection molding is a process that involves injecting gas into the mold cavity during the regular injection molding process. This technique is used to improve the quality and strength of the final molded product, as well as to reduce the amount of time and effort required to produce it. What are the advantages of gas-assisted injection molding? One of the main advantages of gas-assisted injection molding is that it allows for the production of hollow parts with thick walls. In traditional plastic injection molding, it can be difficult to produce parts with thick walls because the plastic may not have enough time to cool and solidify before it is ejected from the mold. This can lead to warping or other defects in the final part. The thickening of the local air gas channels can increase the strength and dimensional stability of the product, reduce the internal stress of the product, and reduce warping deformation. 2. Gas-assist molding can solve the problem of sink marks on the mold cavity surface of the workpiece and can greatly improve the surface quality of the workpiece. 3. Gas-assisted molding is that it allows for the creation of more complex and intricate designs. This is because the nitrogen gas injection helps to distribute the molten plastic more evenly throughout the mold cavities, ensuring that the final product has a uniform thickness and a smooth surface finish. Simplify product and mold design and reduce the difficulty of mold processing. 4. Another advantage of gas-assisted injection molding is that it can reduce the amount of material needed to produce a part. Because the gas helps to cool and solidify the plastic, it reduces the amount of plastic that is required to fill the mold cavity. Save raw materials up to 40 to 50%. This means that less plastic material is needed to produce the part, which can save on production costs. Additionally, because the gas occupies some of the space in the mold cavity surface, the overall size of the part can be reduced, which can save on material and shipping costs. 5. Gas-assisted injection molding is that it can improve the structural integrity of the final part. By injecting gas into the mold cavity, the gas helps to distribute the plastic evenly within the mold, which can improve the strength and durability of the part. This is especially beneficial for parts that will be subject to high stresses or loads, as the improved structural integrity can help to prevent the part from breaking or failing. 6. Another advantage of this process is that it increases the strength and durability of the final product. The gas acts as a reinforcement, helping to distribute the forces acting on the molded plastic and preventing it from cracking or breaking under stress. This means that the final product will be able to withstand more wear and tear, and will be less likely to fail during use. 7. Gas-assisted injection molding is that it can reduce the amount of time and effort required to produce a molded product. This is because the gas helps to speed up the cooling process, allowing the molded plastic to solidify more quickly. This means that the mold can be opened and the product removed sooner, reducing the overall production time and increasing the efficiency of the manufacturing process. 8. In addition to these advantages, gas-assisted injection molding is also a more environmentally friendly process than traditional injection molding. This is because the gas used in the process is typically a non-toxic and non-polluting substance, such as inert gas nitrogen or carbon dioxide. This means that the production process generates fewer emissions and waste products, making it a more sustainable option for manufacturers. Conclusion: overall, gas-assisted injection molding is a valuable tool for manufacturers looking to improve the quality, strength, and efficiency of their molded products. Compared with ordinary injection molding technology, Gas-assisted molding technology has incomparable advantages. It is known as a revolution in conventional injection molding technology and is widely used in almost all plastic parts such as home appliances, automobiles, furniture, and daily necessities.